this is how I got started with selling on Amazon. So basically, I started over 11 years ago now. And what I did when I first started selling on Amazon was I would purchase calculators from eBay and then sell them on Amazon. I would purchase them used and then sell them used. And this allowed me to start my actual Amazon FBA business. And from there, I went into retail arbitrage, where I would go into retail stores, look for profitable products that I could purchase and resell for a profit, purchase them in store, send them into Amazon, or do merchant fulfilled actually at that time. And then eventually I got into the fulfillment by Amazon program. And then I eventually got into what I'm doing today, which is online arbitrage. And that is where I purchase items from online retail stores like Walmart and Best Buy, and then resell them on Amazon for a profit, send them into an FBA warehouse where they take care of the fulfillment, storage, and customer service, and then I just collect the profits when the items sell and then reinvest those profits into additional inventory, and that's how the business continues to grow and continues to scale over time. And that's what I'm doing to this day. I'm looking to get into wholesale. I've tried private label before, I didn't have success with it. So my next goal, in addition to online arbitrage, will be the wholesale business model. So I'll document my journey with wholesale on here as well. So if you've not followed yet, make sure you follow, and let me know if you guys have any questions.